Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Volkswagen Jetta Comfortline. Stock reference number 4960. This shape runs from the second month 2011 through to the first month 2015. There's a CADD 1.4 litre twin charge petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. CADD 1.4 litre twin charge petrol engine with radiator grille, right hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch alloy mag with a ball tyre, left front door appears to have no damage. We have the left hand tail light, left top boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage, right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, as does the right front door. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior, leather center console, auto type, climate control, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type and sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.